Today we're going to take apart a Turbo 350. This is one that I built not that long ago. It's got about 500 miles on it. He said he's shifted into second gear, leaving a stop sign, and it just neutraled. So I'm guessing what I'm going to find when I take it apart is a broken intermediate sprag or broken intermediate race. But we shall see. Let's dig in and see what we come up with. Oh yeah. Definitely grenaded. There's the snap ring. You can see the race is actually cracked. It's probably what killed the whole thing. I don't like putting them together with the roller clutch in them, but this transmission had been alive for 10 plus years with this setup, so I didn't really want to change it up because it was working so good. Not so much anymore. Looks good otherwise. That's likely what caused the whole thing. You just can't find a decent intermediate sprag race anymore. Tough to find. These are garbage. And the band tried to hold on, but it just couldn't. Yeah, that's definitely dead. Looks like it's time for it to get an actual sprag. Everything else looks good. We will completely take it apart so we can clean all the junk out of it though. Case still looks good. That's the telltale right there. That's bad. Gasket's really stuck. Kind of tells me it might have gotten a little warm too. Have to ask him what he's got for a tranny cooler. I run 4 check balls in all my builds. Pop the governor out. Yeah, that's basically all there is to it. Pop out the accumulator too. Just because it'll fill up with water in the parts washer and you'll never be able to get it out of there. All my 20350s go together with no accumulator springs. Both the second and third get removed. Or 1, 2, and 2, 3, I should say. Aside from the exploded roller clutch, this thing actually looks pretty good. There's the carnage. And the intermediate band is burnt up too, because in manual second this engages, and when this is broken, it's all this, and that's not nearly enough band to hold it back. So he said it seemed like it was trying when he had it in manual second, and that's why that band was actually giving it a go, but it's just not big enough. Oh. More parts. Goodies laying in the pan. It'll happen. These roller clutches aren't very tough. Gets kind of elaborate when you start trying to upgrade them though, so. This one's going to get an upgrade. There'll probably be another video for that. We'll see though. That's about it as far as taking this thing apart. Hit the like button and the subscribe button. Ask any questions in the comments. I'd be happy to answer them for anybody. Or do another video explaining everything that anybody wants to know. That's about all. Until next time.